Hello and welcome back everyone to my channel again. Today in this video I'm going to talk about how to watch private or deleted YouTube video. So if any of YouTube video if any of your favorite YouTube video got privated or deleted from YouTube, how you can watch again that video. So let me first find a video that is private. So let me find first video. So first of all, so here you can see most of the video are privated. So just what you need to do, just copy the link of the video here, copy link address and go web.archive.org, and here just paste the URL. Just keep in mind you have to cut the URL here. You can see this is the extra. You have to delete this part. Here I am deleting this part, and just take this URL and then click enter. Here you can see the history. Here you can see they have a on snapshot here, May 12, 2014. So just click that time. Here you can see 5 minutes, and here you can see the video. Here you can play it. If you have IDM, then you can download it also. So I'm just showing you playing that it is working. Here you can see the video is playing. So I'm not gonna playing more because of copyright. If I gonna play more, then it will go for copyright strike from my channel. So I'm gonna show you another. Here you go. We are going that website again, and let me take another video. Here, this one. The same, just before list, clear this part and then click enter. Here you can see 2013, 12. Okay, here you can get option to play this video. Here I'm gonna close the audio. Okay, I'm gonna stop it because of copyright issue. So you can see how you can play or download your favorite video that is already private or deleted. It will also work with deleted video. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.